Applying for a Morgan Stanley Bank USA credit card in India, keeping in mind the primary requirement of having an eligible Morgan Stanley account in the USA, involves these simplified steps. 1. Establish an eligible Morgan Stanley account in the USA. This is the crucial first step. You need to have a qualifying brokerage account or other eligible account with Morgan Stanley Smith Barney LLC in the United States. 2. Express interest to your Morgan Stanley Financial Advisor, USA. Contact your Morgan Stanley Financial Advisor in the USA. Inform them of your interest in applying for a Morgan Stanley American Express credit card. They will guide you on the specific application process and confirm your eligibility based on your account. 3. Complete the application, likely online through Amex or Morgan Stanley portal. Your advisor will likely direct you to an online application portal, either through your Morgan Stanley account login or a dedicated American Express link for Morgan Stanley clients. Fill out all the required details accurately. 4. Await application review and decision. American Express, the card issuer, will review your application. The decision will be communicated to you, potentially through your Morgan Stanley advisor or directly from American Express. Important note for India: as mentioned before, it's essential to confirm with your Morgan Stanley financial advisor in the USA whether residents of India with US-based Morgan Stanley accounts are eligible for these credit cards. There might be international restrictions or specific procedures to follow.